Thanks for taking the Quantium Leap. Let's get you started. For any direct restoration, begin by prepping the cavity and performing your preferred bonding technique. Choose your desired Quantium shade and place it into the cavity in 1 to 2 mm increments. Light cure each layer for 20 seconds using a curing light. Continue layering until the cavity is filled to the cavo surface margin and the restoration has the ideal shape. Then, light cure each surface of the final increment for another 20 seconds. Check the occlusion and move on to finishing and polishing. Here's a quick pro tip. Want a more flowable consistency? Warm Quantium Leap doses up to 68 degrees Celsius for up to an hour. And don't forget, check the instructions for insider tips on getting the most out of Quantium. Have questions? Give us a call at 1-800-247-3368. We're here to help.